I'm using some leftover chili that I had. Just thawed it out. Now I'm gonna make a hot dog casserole with this chili. And I'm gonna add in my hot dogs. Let's give that a stir. So I have 6 hot dogs chopped up, but you can add up to 8 if you want to, or you can do as little as 4. Just depends on how much hot dogs you want in here. And the chili is about 3 cups of chili. If you're using a can, you can use, I would say, about 2 cans, just depending on your size of your dish. I'm just gonna top it with some shredded cheese, an 8-ounce package. Do about half the package, 1 cup, before you add the tater tots in. All right, let's get that spread pretty good. And then we're gonna top it off with the tater tots. And spread that evenly around. I typically like to use my cast iron skillet for this, but since I'm not using the canned chili and I'm actually using homemade chili, I just didn't have enough that would fill up the my pan, because I have a 12-inch cast iron skillet. So I'm using a smaller size. But even if I was using a larger size, the cheese would still pretty much be the same amount. Just about 2 cups. If you want to add an extra half a cup, that's fine. I'm using the standard sharp cheddar cheese, but you can use Colby Jack, Monterey, whatever floats your boat. So now I'm just going to top the remaining cup of cheese on top of the tots. And we're just going to let this cook for about 45 minutes. The oven temperature is 350 degrees. 45 minutes later, the tater tot chili casserole is done. I'm going to let it just sit for about 5 minutes, just to let it cool just a bit before serving. This dish is just like having chili cheese fries, of course with hot dogs added to it. Just something that's a little different. Has a unique, I won't say it does not have a unique taste to it. It's just something different, something unique. So here you go, the cheesy chili tater tot casserole. Feel free to top it whichever way you want to. You can add sour cream, you can add jalapenos, salsa, sauerkraut, coleslaw. So just have a little fun with it. It's just a little different dish. Again, just an easy dish, different dish, unique dish. But again, thanks so much for joining me. I look forward to having you check out my next video. You all have a great day.